How to find the best available and genuine promo codes for the Starpet website in front of you. For this, I will take you to the gaming experience or the gamer website, and on the browser, I will simply search for the hot deals promo code website. But on this, you can see there is a listed code again here to get 20% off, to get 25% off, to get 15% off. You can simply apply different codes from this menu. Now, how you can simply get the code in front of you so that you can copy and then you can paste it. To get it done, what you have to do is click on this blue icon on the right corner of this any promo code here. You have to click on this click option, and from here you will get the promo code that will be available for you. You have to click on try all codes, or you can simply copy this code and then you can paste it to the website or the payment page on Easy Store. So this is how you can find QR or promo codes for any of the website you want. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.